morning, another day, share. Okay, today I go show you how to change charging port for HP. This HP now, HP ProBook. No, ProBook this, no. There's some noise outside, but we are here fixing laptops. Okay. Oops, what's that? Oh shit, man. Okay. It's HP Pavilion. So I will teach you how to change this charging port. Stay tuned.
Just the other one you say you get.
Okay, I will test now. This one. Move the charging port. No shaking. This charging port is damaged. You say? This is what needs replacement. This port, this charging thing. Okay, I don't get a new charging port, so we'll get to replace for this machine and see how it goes. We could put them see as you go. We'll connect this connector back for the motherboard for back here. When you finish, you put the screw, and then I hope so it'll be ready for work. Okay, now we're done. Let's test it. Testing time. Let's test the charging port that we just put if it's working. The charging port we need for scrum properly, otherwise it won't go height. And my friend machine be this way. This thing don't break, okay? We go test it like this first. Okay, it don't work. So now we get light here. It means the machine go work. We go see. Make see laptop too don't work also. See? The Windows that they run. So the problem na charging port. Problem solved. We could close the machine gently and slowly. So what's up, you do? As this thing delete the commode. We'll find some hard paper, put it inside and make it. You depress that thing down. See, depress them down, you know, go shake again. Hey, give this number to Erico. That is that guy who said he must call him for the 4 gig, eh? For the 4 gig RAM.
For PC?
Yeah, PC 4 gig, yeah. 8 gig, sorry. Now I'm screwing back time. Here's the old charging port. Here is the old charging port. Old charging port that was damaged. It's gone. It's gone. So now we're closing the laptop, and it should be fine. Fine. Okay. Let's test if all is all right. Let's test it. Sure. Showing yellow means it's charging. Oops. Showing yellow there is charging, but showing white means it's fully charged or the batteries is dead. White is either it's fully charged or the batteries is dead. Let's see. No, and then now. Everything doing nice, charging. And the laptop is showing automatic repair mode because it was switched off many times. Because operating system don't start so many times, it show this thing automatic repair something, so we go just restart the machine, make it work. Okay, machine is working.
There's no Bluetooth in here. So it must be in here. There's not in the Bluetooth here. So you have to use that dongle. I'm telling you what we are seeing, not me telling you. But if it has to, you see.
Laptop is done.
Except you have to buy that one. It's just like a PC that the PC doesn't have a Bluetooth. Yeah, you buy that one. The thing is 120. The one I have is a long one.
Malware work supposed chop. Supposed chop well. Malware work. Supposed chop very big piece of chicken. Very big piece of chicken and plenty.